welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. First, let me thank all of my new subscribers. You guys, your support means everything to me, so I really appreciate it. And if you want to be a part of the Time with April family, don't hesitate. Go ahead and hit that subscriber button. And when you click on those notifications, make sure you choose all. They'll give you an option. So when you choose all, every time I upload a video, you'll be the first to know. So whenever I get a sweet tooth, there's a couple of candy bars that I like to reach out for. One in particular is the Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. What's your favorite candy bar? Leave it in the comment section down below. But the combination between chocolate and peanut butter is like no other. And when I decided to make these brownies, I wanted to bring these two flavors together. So if you want to see what I mean and how I make them, then just keep watching. So I'm going to begin with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a cup of cocoa powder unsweetened, 1 cup of white sugar. I'm going to use 4 eggs, and I'm going to also use a cup of brown sugar. I also have a cup of butter and 1½ cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and ½ cup of peanut butter. So I went ahead and melted my butter. I just zapped it in the microwave, and now I'm ready to add my sugars. And first I'm going to add my white sugar, and now I'm going to add my brown sugar. And now I'm going to add the 4 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and add my vanilla, and I'm just going to grab my whisk and mix everything together until everything is smooth and well combined. So to make sure that my batter is light and lump-free, I'm going to sift in the all-purpose flour along with the cocoa powder. So now I'm going to grab my rubber spatula and mix both the wet and dry ingredients together until I get that perfect brownie batter. So at this time I'm going to add in my chocolate chips, and I'm going to mix it in. I'm just going to use around a cup at this time, and then use the rest to top off at the very end. So I went ahead and I lined my baking dish with some parchment paper, and I'm going to go ahead and spoon in all of that yummy chocolate brownie batter. And I'm just going to take that same rubber spatula and just spread the batter out until it's completely even. Now I'm just going to drop 6 different spoonfuls of peanut butter on top. And I'm going to go ahead and take that same spoon, and I'm going to begin swirling in that peanut butter into the brownie mixture. And here's where I'm going to just take the last bit of those chocolate chips and just sprinkle it on top. So I went ahead and I preheated my oven at 375, and I'm going to bake them up for 25 to 30 minutes. So the combination of chocolate and peanut butter, it is amazing, and it kind of reminds me of a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. If you're a fan of that, you will absolutely be a fan of these brownies. And we are all done. If you enjoyed this video, please you guys give it a big thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Share this video with everybody you know, and if you give this recipe a try, please leave it in the comment section down below and let me know what you think. Now before you leave, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. And if you want to see another video, then go ahead and click that box you see on the screen. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you next time in my next video. Bye-bye.